Hello friends, today I am going to share the easy way of making Foxtail Millet Idli in idli cooker and instant pot. I am going to use Foxtail Millet Idli Rava instead of grains. As you know, Foxtail Millet is such a heart healthy variety, a miracle food to reduce glucose and cholesterol for diabetic people. This is absolutely super healthy and tasty option to enjoy with sambar and chutneys. These idlis will be lightly cream colored and hard to know that these are millet idlis. Taste same like regular idlis. Will be super soft and fluffy. Let's get started. I'm going to use Urad dal and Foxtail Millet Idli Rava in 1:2 ratio. Makes a super healthy combo. First take 1 cup Urad dal in a bowl. Add quarter cup poha. I like to add quarter cup soya beans as well. Helps for fermentation and adds protein. It's optional. Wash 1 to 2 times and discard the water. Soak these for 6 hours. Meanwhile, soak 2 cups of Foxtail Millet Idli Rava separately. No need to rinse, we'll discard this water later. Mix well and let it soak for at least 2 to 6 hours. After 6 hours, as you see, all ingredients have soaked well. Now take a mixie jar, add dal etc. ingredients without water. Add little water as needed. If it's winter, I add warm water for better fermentation. Grind to fine paste. Batter consistency will be like this, not too thick, not too loose. Now time to add Foxtail Millet Idli Rava. Squeeze out the excess water from rava and add it to batter. Mix all together well. It's time for fermentation. Ferment the batter for minimum 6 to 8 hours in warm place. Or you can ferment in instant pot. Add 1 cup water in inner pot. Place the rack and batter bowl. Cover with transparent lid on top. Set yogurt mode for 8 hours. Check 1 to 2 hours before if fermented already. After 8 hours, as you see, my batter got doubled. Fermented nicely. Now add 3/4 teaspoon salt, quarter teaspoon baking soda or little more. Mix the batter well. You can store this batter in fridge for 4 to 5 days. This is the perfect consistency. It's time for steaming idlis now. First let's see in idli cooker. Add 1 cup water in idli cooker. To save time, keep boiling on stove like preheating. Meanwhile, add idli batter in idli plates. Shake a bit to level up evenly. Keep idli plate stand in cooker. Cook on high flame for 10 to 12 minutes. Wait for 5 minutes before opening the lid. If you are using instant pot for steaming, add 1 cup water in inner pot. Place the idli stand with idli plates. Close the lid to sealing. Pressure cook high for 5 minutes. Or you can use steam mode for 10 minutes. Wait for natural release. Both ways idlis will be cooked perfect, fluffy and soft. Take out the idlis from idli plates and serve hot. Taste and texture wise looks same like regular idlis. It's really hard to notice the difference. Hope you enjoyed these healthy and tasty Foxtail Millet Idlis with your family. See you again with many more awesome healthy and tasty recipes. Thanks for watching.